Hello friends, welcome to the first video of the problem series on simplification and approximations. So let us begin. Here we have our first problem, 357.93 plus 288.09 into 3.09 is equal to question mark into 102, and the options are A 11, B 13, C 12 and D 14. We need to find the value of the question mark. This is a simple mathematical expression, but if you solve it the conventional way, you will for sure arrive at the right answer, but you will lose time doing so. Hence, we need to find shortcuts to solve the problem. So let us begin. I'm showing the step-by-step solution to solve the problem so that you understand the approach to solve it. However, we would be required to solve most of the steps mentally so as to skip steps and arrive at the solution at the earliest possible time. So let us begin. We are given 357.93 plus 288.09 into 3.09 is equal to question mark into 102. We can see that we have a lot of decimal numbers. So our first step is to rewrite all the decimal numbers to its nearest integers. So the given expression reduces to 358 plus 288 into 3 is equal to question mark into 102. Now we apply the BODMAS rule to this expression. Hence we evaluate the multiplication term first. It's a simple multiplication of 288 and 3, which is 864. So we get the new expression as 358 plus 864 is equal to question mark into 102. Now we need to add 358 and 864. What needs to be taken care is that you evaluate the solution mentally rather than adding it separately and finding the result. So let's first add the units digit mentally. We get 8 plus 4, which is equal to 12. So we take 1 as a carryover and retain 2. For clarity, I have mentioned 1 in brackets. Now let's add the tens digit. We get 5 plus 6 plus the carried over 1, which is equal to 12. So we take 2 and 1 becomes the carryover. Now note that we have 22 as our answer there. And now coming to the final step of adding the hundredths digit, we get 3 plus 8 plus 1, which is equal to 12, and add this number 12 to the left of 22. Hence, the final answer is 1222. I guess the method is clear. Now let's get back to the problem. After the addition, we are left with 1222 is equal to question mark into 102. Now carrying out the division of 1222 by 102, we get 11.98 as the answer, which is approximately equal to 12. Now let us compare this answer with the options that we have. We can see that option C is 12. Hence, our correct answer is option C. I hope the problem is very clear to you. Now let's go to the next problem. We have 4594.98 plus 5821.01 plus 1968.99 is equal to question mark into 1548.125. And our options are option A 8, option B 9, option C 7 and option D 6. So let us start solving. In the first step, we reduce the decimal numbers which we have to the nearest integers. So 4594.98 becomes 4595. 5821.01 can be written as 5821. 1968.99 is approximated as 1969, and 1548.125 is written as 1548. So we need to evaluate the LHS first. We can directly add all the given numbers at once, but that might be a little time consuming. So I would add the digits individually. That is, Add all the units digit followed by tens digit followed by hundreds digit and so on. Doing so, we get the equation as shown. Please pause the video for a while and go through what I've done. I have grouped the digits having the same place values separately. Thus we add 4000, 5000 and 1000 separately. 500, 800 and 900 is grouped together and added separately. 90, 20, 60, which are the tens digit, are added separately, and the units digits are also grouped separately and added. So we get 10,000 plus 2200 plus 170 plus 15. Our final answer would be the sum of all the results that we have obtained above. So carrying out the operation, we get 12385 as our final answer. This method might be too long, but if we practice this for a few problems, we get used to it and we will be able to find the answer fast. However, I would recommend to use the method which each person is comfortable with. There is no hard and fast rule that only this method needs to be used to arrive at the solution faster. Now let's get back to a problem. So after the addition process, our new expression becomes 12384 is equal to question mark into 1548. If we have a closer look at the expression, we can see that now for faster calculation, we can approximate 12384 as 12380 and 1548 as 1550. Thus, carrying out the division, we get the final answer to be 7.96, which is approximately equal to 8. Now going back to our options, we see that option A, which is equal to 8, matches with our answer. Hence, the correct answer is option A. I hope you enjoyed the two problems solved in this video. For more problems, please refer to my next video. Please comment below if you have any doubts. If you found my video useful and interesting, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.